everybody, I'm Lori from Dee's, and today we have a really fun kit. We are going to make this really cute rattan bunny head swag. He's going to be really simple and easy, and the fun thing is you can pick your color of head that you would like on your bunny. So I have the pink one made up here, and we have a natural available, a blue, and this green that we're going to make today. So everything that you need, of course, is included in your kit. So you're going to receive your choice of color of bunny head, your wire, a couple of greening pins, and these two stems and ribbon. So to get started, we're just going to trim a little bit off of this stem right here. Remove our labels, and we're going to go through and fluff this up. And this is a really pretty stem. It has lots of different greeneries mixed in. You've got your ferns, your little leaves there, all sorts of pretty in these pods. Really pretty. So you want to go through and just fluff it up, bring it all to life. And this is what's going to act as our base for our swag. So this is just going to attach right behind our bunny's head. So to put him on, we simply are going to flip him over, and we're going to raise his little head up a little bit, and we're going to put some glue. So you can use your glue gun, or you can use your pot if you're using a pot of glue, which normally we do. I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to go in and take these floral greening pins and poke them right on there to keep this nice and secure. Push that on there, and then I took this fern leaf and kind of bent it up just to kind of camouflage our mechanics there. And you still have your hanger for your swag on the top of your head. So once you get that attached, we're going to go through and just straighten up your greenery. Get it kind of placed where you want it. You can have it going any which way. Next included is going to be this beautiful stem with this assortment of little flowers and the forsythia. And again, has some little sticks and some greenery. It's just a pretty little stem. And I'm going to trim off just a tiny bit of our stem. And I'm going to put a little glue on my stem again. And we're going to put that right up in there. And just lay that just like so. And then when we make our bow and we wire our bow on, that will wire that top stem to your other stem and keep it all intact together. So next, we're going to take our ribbons. We have this pretty plaid. It has all the colors of the bunnies in it, so it makes it nice and fun. And we're just going to leave a tail, just pinch and gather, and then make a loop. So you can make your loops as small or as big as you want. On my first one I made them kind of big. So I'm kind of going back this time and making them just a little bit smaller. And then we're going to add this pretty floral print ribbon right on top. And we're going to leave those tails a little bit longer. Twist, pinch and gather. Twist, pinch and gather. And then we're going to wire this right off in the center. Pull that nice and tight. Twist that really nice and tight. Cinch that bow so it won't come apart on you. Okay, and we're just going to go in and add this right on top of this burlap bow that's on here. And wrap it right around the back to hold it nice and tight. And then we can trim off our excess. And we're going to go in and kind of straighten up our bow. And you can fluff your flower up. Bring these up so that they're not covered up down there. I'm going to straighten up my tail here. And then we're going to trim our tails on our ribbons. And how cute is he? He would be perfect to put on someone's assisted living door, or if they're at a nursing home, or just to hang any place that you love an Easter decoration or on your door. He's just as cute as can be. He's available in all 4 colors, and he's available at shopdeeslouisville.com. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.